Hey guys, so today is Saturday, December 4th. I just finished my hair like maybe an hour or so ago, and I'm the type of person, like, I need to put on a little bit of makeup, some lashes, and some lip gloss to see if it all comes together. I gotta see the final result. So, did that too. I've been trying to clean up. Haven't really gotten much of that done. Been trying to do laundry, but I also have to do some Christmas decorations because my mom is coming to help me decorate the outside of my house tomorrow. So I'm about to do that. So let's get our supplies. And I'm about to close Brooke's, oh, my battery's about to die. I'm about to close Brooke's gate to her room so that way she don't be all out here acting crazy. She look at her already and stuff. But I guess I'm going to go ahead and set everything up. Before my camera dies, I'm going to show you what I have. Just make sure I have everything. Okay. I think that's it so far. Come on, Stink Tink. Come on, Mamas. Come on. Okay. So, we have a store called At Home, and she found these wreaths that they had for $3.99, and then they had ornaments on sale for $4.99, and then she had some other stuff. This is kind of like what we're going for Christmas, the pink silver theme. I wish I had like more ornaments for the tree. I'll probably get some. Brooke wants to say hey. Why would you do that on camera, girl? I'm about to set up everything. Maybe I could charge my camera battery and try to film what I'm doing. I don't even know what I'm doing. But yeah. Okay, so it's clearly nighttime. And my battery is now fully charged. Come on, Stink Tink. Come on. Come on. Gotta get her out the room so I could. Come here, Brooke. Look. Come here. Okay, so I'm so glad that Brooke is like at the age to where she doesn't know like what Christmas is, because like all of her Christmas stuff is in here. But basically, this is what I had to close the door. Oh my god, let me hurry up. So this is what I came up with for the wreaths. Okay, that's it. That's all I got. I just wanted to come in here and show that because I ended up cleaning up my mess. And I didn't even think to grab my camera and be like, hey, let me show the after. Hey. See? I don't want her to be in there because the ornaments have glitter on it, and she'll probably end up getting glitter on her anyway because it's everywhere. So, but yeah. So that's that. Gonna hang those up on my windows. I got 4 of those, or I made 4 of those. So. Did you fart? Did you fart? I'm not even gonna lie to you. I bought a piercing kit off of Amazon, and I want to pierce my ears. So what I'm doing now, I am about to clean up my bathroom because I've been doing my hair on and off since probably Thursday. So it's a lot of braiding product, a lot of hair. It's just a mess. So I just cleaned my bathroom last weekend, like scrub-a-dub-dub did, and I'ma ride you like a rodeo. Is that what you say? I'ma ride you like a rodeo. Cowgirl, like a rodeo. But I think this is as good as it's gonna get. I'm gonna crack my door just a little bit because Brooke fell asleep, and there's literally like it's quiet as a mouse in here. So this is the what is this called? This is the piercing kit that I have. So what I'm also gonna do, I'm going to put numbing cream on my ear because I ain't got time. Like, I'm really nervous, but I'm still gonna do it. What else? So I'm gonna have to put the numbing cream on, but that's it for it says 20 minutes. So I'm gonna do that. And I plan on piercing my lower helix, and I want to do my forward helix. I just feel like it's really like aesthetically pleasing, because I think it goes really good with my orbital or conch, whatever you want to call it. I don't know the difference. But as far as this side, I might do a piercing up here, like in the cartilage area. I don't know. I'm nervous. I'm starting, my hands are starting to sweat. But at this point, I might as well just numb my whole earlobe, because I don't know. So I'm about to go get stuff for that, the Q-tip, the numbing cream, and I'll be back. So this is the numbing cream. I haven't had an ear piercing since I got my orbital done. I had my what is this called? I had this pierced, my day pierced. I'm going to sanitize my ears. Is it dry? Why y'all gave me this dry alcohol wipe like that? Baby, this thing dry. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take my orbital out. Okay, anyway, numbing cream. So I got a Q-tip. I'm gonna take the numbing cream. Let's see. I'm trying to think, like, what else would I pierce? And I also wanted to pierce on this side because this is the side that I normally like take photos on, which is why I got my nose pierced on this side too. So I'd rather this side be more aesthetically pleasing. Am I supposed to rub it off? Like, this one is fine. This one is okay. I can do this. But do you not see how big these needles are? Oh, do you not see how big these are? Compared to these. Focus. Oh my god. Okay. Broke off a needle. Okay, so which one should I do first? Wow, this is happening. Okay. Oh my god, I'm sweating. Look at this. Like, I'm freaking out right now at this point. How do they do this? But I can't really. Get my meat right there. I just thought about something. I'm right-handed, and I'm trying to pierce my right ear. Oh, this thing's sharp. This thing is sharp. Like, I put it towards my ear and I heard it pop. It said, what? Miss Rice, Jesus Christ, and Byron. I don't think I can do this. I don't think I can do this. I honestly don't think I can do this to myself. This is even the right spot. My head is pounding right now. Ah! Hold up, hold up. I had to sit down because I feel like if I was comfortable, then maybe I'll be okay.
Okay, I'll ask one more.
That's it? Okay.
Saving spectacular at American Freight Furniture Mattress Supply.
Hey, camera setup that we're episode so that I can wait. I have like so we're doing an episode high. Exactly.
What are your thoughts on war? No thoughts.
No thoughts,
You
just
said-
thoughts and prayers.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm just extremely excited. It's gonna be so fun season 2. And I'm excited to take a break so we can like prepare for
Yeah, right. I was talking about this with Bob, and I was like, oh my god, I'm kind of excited. It's like bittersweet, but it's kind of nice to not.
of course, these are like the
Let's
cutest
that's
songs.
the biggest yawn ever.
Oh,
Do we have any more questions?
I think so. There's probably a couple more
I feel like
here.
this has been more long now. I think we can wait
I did it.
You're tired, Baba.
But now I have to slide. I have to slide the whole needle through my earlobe.
We're learning to be pretty mommy.
Big excited.
And moving in like this.
Look at him.
It's like so
Hanging there.
like it's quite comfortable, or else you would not be hanging like this.
Right? He's like all this.
Yeah, I'm excited to get her place. Another thing. Sorry, I was so distracted earlier by him. Now I personally I'm getting my license next year.
Yeah, I guess I'm glad it when we're gonna go to
Yes.
we can still go again. You can go. You would match.
What is this even? So I'm going to put this one is this one, like it just has the two balls
Yeah. Do you want to wrap it up?
on both ends. I'm gonna use that one for this one, I guess.
Um,
And it slides literally like right in. I'm shaking. I can't even put it in there.
yeah. Okay. For the last episode. Oh. What is one has yet?
Wow.
You are willing to explore in 2022.
Ooh, is there any?
Oh.
Yeah.
Ain't no meat in there.
I
And it
will get
looks
back to you.
good.
I just have to.
I'm getting the ball out.
I can't wait. Really cute boy to surprise me. So I can't wait to wait for season 2. It's gonna be so much. It's gonna be even better. I can't wait to get into editing too.
I can't wait.
Like the pain was really a 2. I would say it was more uncomfortable than painful. Let's see if we have any blood. Barely. Barely any blood. Wow. I pierced my ear. I did clean my piercings afterwards with salt water, lukewarm salt water. So Okay, I feel like that looks a lot better than where my other piercing was. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take the other gun and clamp it and just put it in my other ear because I feel like they're even now. Like I just wanted to fix that second hole because it always bothered me, like when I wanted to wear jewelry. That always bothered me. Yeah, I guess that's okay. It's gonna have to be. Second hole, it's basically diagonal from where I just re-pierced it, and I feel like now it's like this one's still a little low. Oh, look at how cute. Yeah. Oh, let me pull my hair up because I said I wanted to. Please don't hit my ear, Jesus. Thanks for watching my video. I also have something else that I'm gonna do, but I think I'm just gonna wait until like Brooke's not here. It's gonna need my undivided attention. So with that being said, bye.
Nobody but us.